And now we've all heard the saying, beauty is pain, but how much pain until it becomes detrimental to our health? I'm about to tell you, ladies, the maximum number of hours you should wear heels every day. New research shows that the more you wear high heels, the higher your chances of developing knee osteoarthritis. It is not exactly shocking that heels aren't great for you, but it begs the question, exactly how many hours can you get away with wearing pumps before the damage kicks in? Heels are bad for your feet because they place your feet in unnatural positions. To lower your risk of harmful conditions, you should decrease the number of hours you log in heels. When it comes to a low heel, which is 1.5 inches, you should cap the wear at 4 hours a day max. When it comes to medium heels, which are 1.5 to 3 inches, the max is 3 hours to be on those, and don't push it beyond that. A high heel, which is 3.5 inches or taller, is actually best to avoid altogether, but if you must, then no longer than 1 hour at a time. Here is a tip. After you wear high heels, roll a golf ball on the bottom of your feet. This promotes movement and strengthens the small muscles of your feet, two things that don't happen when you are wearing heels.